Children, in the chapter Classical Dances of India, we will learn some facts about our classical dances of varied states. India is one culturally rich country. Alike languages, religions, customs, India has varied forms of classical dances. These all incredible dances originated in India during the ancient time. So let's travel through India via its famous classical dance forms. This is the dance form of Bharatnatyam. It is a dance of Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is known as the mother of all other classical dance styles. It is considered the oldest dance form in India. It originated from the temple dances in Tamil Nadu. This dance is Kathakali. It is the dance of Kerala. The next dance form is Kathakali. This dance form is the most attractive, dramatic and elaborate dance form. It is originated in the South Indian state of Kerala. In this dance form, the characters are defined by their costumes and makeup. The face of the artist is painted over to appear as though a mask is worn. This classical dance is Kathak, which is the dance of Central India and Northern India. Kathak dance originated from Uttar Pradesh, but now it has become classical dance of Central and Northern India. Its name is derived from a word that means story. The dancers narrate stories through their eyes and expressions. Manipuri is the classical dance of Northeast India. Manipuri dance form originated in the northeastern state of Manipur. It is based on pure spiritual experience, as it is a theme based classical dance form that depicts Ras Leela or act of the Hindu gods Radha and Krishna. Its costumes and makeup plays an important role. This is the classical dance Odissi from the state Odisha. Odissi dance form emerged from the state Odisha. It is originated from the ancient Hindu temples in Odisha. The dance is based on gestures and movements. It is performed to express the mythical stories of Hindu gods such as Lord Shiva and Surya. It is also considered the oldest surviving dance form of India. This classical dance is Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi, it is considered one of the toughest form of classical dance because it requires a whole lot of rituals from lighting the incense sticks to sprinkling holy water and praying to the Lord. The name of this dance form is also the name of a village in the Krishna district of Andhra Pradesh. Unit 1, India our country. Chapter 4, our constitution. Children, constitution of any country is a supreme law. Similarly, our constitution is also the supreme law of our country. It lays down the laws and the guidelines which makes our country democratic. So here I will tell you some facts about our constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the father of the Indian Constitution. He was the chairman of the drafting committee of our constitution. The English version has 1,17,369 words. Children, our constitution is the longest constitution in the world, which contains 444 articles in 12 schedules. Our constitution was not typed or printed. It means originally it is handwritten in English and Hindi, and it was written by Prem Bihari Narain Raizada. The original copies of our constitution are kept in helium-filled cases in the library of the Parliament of India. As you can see in the picture, this case is filled with helium, and here the handwritten constitution, the original constitution of our country, is preserved and safe. The constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic country. The meaning of sovereign means the country has no rule of king or queen. Socialist means our country run by the people of the country and it is an independent country. Secular means our country has no any official religion. All the people of the country are free to follow any religion and to speak any language. Democratic republic means a country has republic and democratic rule. Our constitution assures its citizens justice, equality and liberty, and it promotes fraternity. Fraternity means prosperity of each citizen. It took nearly 3 years to write down our constitution, and on 26 January 1950 our constitution came into force. On 26 January in 1950 the national emblem of India, adopted. Do you know, children, the features of our constitution has adopted from the constitution of many countries, such as from the Great Britain, France, USSR, present name is Russia, Japan, Germany, US, America, and that is why it is amended only 103 times since it is enacted in 1950. And that is why our constitution is the longest written constitution of any sovereign country in the world. Our constitution lays down the laws and guidelines that establish the structure, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions. It also states the fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of its citizen. And this all is mentioned in the preamble of our constitution. Our preamble is also known as the preface of our constitution.